Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. You know, where am I? I'm here at the art market in Kuta, and today I will walk along the beach since I've been like quite a long time I didn't come here. So today, let's see the situation at Kuta Beach, guys. So this is the market, and now it's around 5:30, and the weather is very good, and we will see sunset soon. So let's walk around. Look at that. From here we can see the sun there, and this is the statue and the gate, and we are entering Kuta Beach. And this is the situation at the parking area. As you can see, it's quite busy. So many scooters, cars. And for you that asked me about the food court here by the Kuta Beach, this is the situation at the moment. Most of them are open, and they have kind of like nice place compared than before. Looks clean now and well organized, which is good. And just for your information, if you like to try Indonesian food for your lunch or dinner, you can have it here as well. It's very busy by this time. Let's have a look in this spot. So this is the situation at the moment. The beach is nice, clean, a lot of people here spending their time. So let's go and walk around along the beach. I think most of you know about this beach and this spot especially. And as you see, there are so many like food stalls or drink sellers here. You can buy drinks, food, and if you bring your kids, you can play here as well. Look at this. Nice mask. And from here you can see a lot of tourists there enjoying their time by the beach, which is good. At least the business is running. I don't know why people still driving scooter, and it's a big sign the scooter is not allowed to come here. And here on the right side, this is part of Ina Kuta Hotel. So for you that love to stay here, this is the situation at the moment. They have nice pool, but unfortunately now is the view is not really good, because before you can see the view from the pool, but now you can't see because a lot of food stalls here. But still you can see a little bit maybe. Look at this. A lot of nice stuff, wood carving. So if you love shopping, you can do shopping, but I suggest you to ask the price and do some bargaining, because all of the stuff here, they don't have any price tag. Wow, look at this. Very busy. It's nice to see that. If you like to have coconut, plenty of them here. And here is the gate of Kuta Beach, and if you walk out, it will be the Jalan Raya Pantai Kuta. Let's have a quick look from here. It's very busy by this time. Look at that. It's a bit traffic, but I think it's quite okay. Not really bad traffic. And let's see the Kuta Beach. I mean, from this spot. It's kind of like big wave today. Oh, look at that. From here, you can see the beach is really busy. And there will be a lot of people or local people offering you, or sellers offering you many things. Serving, tattoos, temporary tattoo massage, and many more. It's interesting actually to talk with someone here because he said that last time this, what you call it, the government have repaired the beach by adding more sands. But unfortunately, there was a big wave, and then it is what happened now. Still, you can see a lot of rocks here. They try to protect the beach, and I think few months to go, they will repair it again. I remember last time I came here about few months ago. It was really bad. I mean, I have like bad abrasion, and now a little bit better, but still a lot of work to do. So I hope by end of this year this beach will be nice again, a lot of sand again. We will not see the what you call these bags anymore, maybe, hopefully. Okay, so let's walk around and enjoy the atmosphere of the beach. It's really busy by this time. This spot still looks really bad. Big abrasion in this spot. And after this, I will walk outside of the beach and let's see the situation around Beachwalk Mall area. But for now, let's walk around here and let's enjoy the sunset, and soon will be a very nice sunset, guys. This spot look nice. I have big tree. You can see it here, and let's enjoy the view from here. Look at that. It's really nice sunset anyway. Let's stop here for a while and enjoy the view. Okay, so let's continue. Let's walk outside and let's see a little bit more from this area in Kuta. Now you can do your hair here, or hair braiding, and meanwhile you can do massage as well. And this is outside of the beach, Jalan Raya Kuta. And right there in the opposite side, that is Batam 88, where you can have a lot of Indonesian food. And for you that would like to stay at Kuta Beach Heritage, that is the hotel. And this is the situation. I think it's very nice hotel location. You just cross this road and you will arrive at the beach. And right there is Kuta Beach Bar. They have their bar and they have their hotel as well. You like to stay there? It looks nice hotel from outside. Probably the room is also good, but the view should be very nice from that room. You can see Kuta Beach view. As you go there, it will be Popis Lane 1. Maybe next time I will go there. Let's see what is the different or what have changed. I came there like a month ago, I think, if I'm not mistaken. There are some projects still ongoing there, but let's see next time. Right there, they have Flapjacks restaurant and Kuta Sea View Hotel. Would you like to stay there, maybe? And that is Rosso Vivo. It's a nice place, nice lounge. They have the bar and they have DJ music and they have their pool there. Anybody been staying here before? Can people from outside go there and swim, or it's just for the tourists that stay in that hotel? I think this is part of the Kuta Sea View, if not mistaken. Look at that, that is the toilet now. They have the shower, nice shower and changing room. So if you love to swim, if you want to change your clothes, you don't need to worry where to go. Now Kuta Beach is very nice. I mean, they are providing or adding more facilities. And that is Popis Lane 2. Last time I came there at night, it was okay, quite busy. And we are getting closer to Beachwalk Mall. Here on the right side, this is the Uniqlo outlet, I think. It's getting popular now in Bali, this brand. But I don't know the price. If you like to shop or buy Uniqlo product, you can come here. Normally this shop very busy, but this time it's not really. Maybe last time they had like big discount or promo or something. From here you can see the restaurants area from the Beachwalk Mall. It's very busy. A lot of people like to spend their time there, enjoy food or drinks. Good to see that. It's really busy, isn't it? That is the front side or the entrance to Beachwalk Mall. It's really busy. But anyway, if you like to have some food or more restaurants, they have it on the second floor as well, like there and right there. You can see even from here. So this is the situation from this area in Kuta, the beach. and we passed by some hotels and Beachwalk Mall. I hope you enjoyed. Okay everyone, that's all for today's update from Kuta. We have seen the beach, the mall, and we passed by a few hotels and shops. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.